In this video, we will learn how to install Node.js on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Node.js and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website, nodejs.org. From here, directly click download. And now the current version is visible. We want for Windows, so it automatically selected Windows. Now go below. And here the Windows installer is visible. Click on the Windows installer, that is the MSI file. On clicking the download started, let's wait. The installer file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Accept the terms, and after that click next. Node.js will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click next. Now custom setup is visible. This will install Node.js as well as npm. npm is Node Package Manager, and it will take only 87 MB. Click next. It will also install Chocolatey. So I'll just click here and click next. Click install. Now Node.js will get installed. We have installed Node.js. Click finish. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Type the command node-v and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Node.js. For free tutorials, refer to the link in the description of the video. With that, also refer studiopedia.com for free notes. Thank you for watching.